Mastering English phrases. Understanding Rave About. Hello, dear language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a very popular English phrase, rave about. If you've ever wondered what it means when someone says they're raving about something, you're in the right place. We'll explore what it means, how to use it, and we'll also look at some examples. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind this phrase. To rave about something means to talk about it with extreme enthusiasm. When people rave about a movie, a book, a restaurant, or anything else, they are expressing their high level of excitement or approval. It's a way to tell others that you think something is exceptionally good or enjoyable. But remember, raving is always positive. You wouldn't rave about something you didn't like. Interestingly, the word rave comes from a Middle English word meaning to show signs of madness or delirium. Over time, it took on a more positive spin, reflecting passionate enthusiasm rather than madness. When we say we rave about something today, we mean that our excitement is so intense it's almost as if we can't control it, but in a good way. Now, let's look at how we can use rave about in everyday conversation. It's quite simple. Just mention what you are excited about after the phrase. For example, I've been raving about that new sushi place to everyone. It's fantastic. She won't stop raving about the book she's reading. It must be really good. They've been raving about the movie since they saw it last week. Notice how in each of these sentences, rave about is followed by the thing that's causing all the excitement. While rave about is not difficult to use, there are a couple of pitfalls to avoid. Don't use it for negative opinions. Remember, you only rave about things you love. Don't overuse it. Raving about implies a high level of enthusiasm. So if you rave about everything, it loses its impact. And that wraps up our exploration of rave about. Next time you hear someone using this phrase, you'll know exactly what they mean. They're sharing their enthusiasm and giving a glowing recommendation. Try using rave about yourself when you're particularly impressed with something. It's a great way to share your passions with the English-speaking world. Happy learning, and I hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll be raving about your English skills in no time.